Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a chocolate chip black cookie for Halloween that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious black chocolate chip cookie for Halloween, these are my ingredients. I have vanilla extract, baking soda, and a pinch of salt, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of chocolate chip, 2 tablespoons of black cocoa, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 stick and 1/4 of unsalted butter. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious chocolate chip black cookie. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the dry ingredients. We're going to sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This part is very important. Sometimes there's little lumps on the bottom and you want to make sure that the all-purpose flour has been sifted completely. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And now we are going to just mix away. Add the granulated sugar, incorporate it really good. Let me tell you, this black cookie comes out delicious and amazing. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and whisking it very good, incorporating completely into the all-purpose flour. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of black cocoa. This is going to give the cookie an amazing color and flavor. And of course, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Look at this. Look how amazing this is going to look. This cookie is perfect for Halloween. So I'm going to incorporate all the drying, including the chocolate chips. And in another plate, I am going to add the wet ingredients. Look at this. Here I'm adding 2 room temperature eggs. I'm going to add 1 stick and 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, unsalted, and I'm going to incorporate it really good. Once it's incorporated, I am ready to add it into the dry ingredients. And you could already see once you add it that the color starts changing to black. This is what it gives the cookie, a black color, a delicious chocolate flavor. Oh my God. You need to make this amazing cookie. You're going to love it. Here, I'm just incorporating the wet into the dry. And please don't forget to add your vanilla extract. Measure with your heart. You could add a teaspoon or measure with your heart the vanilla extract. Incorporate it really good into this amazing black cookie dough. And now that it's everything incorporated, I am ready to start making the little balls. The cookies are going to be medium, and I'm going to get about 20 cookies with this mixture. Look how easy it is to prepare these black cookies for Halloween. I hope that you make them. I hope that you enjoy them. And I have 2 trays. I have preheated my oven, 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven only for 12 minutes. No more than that. You want them crispy from the outside, but real chewy and gooey from the center. This is the part I love and enjoy. When they're still hot, add your decoration. I am adding some spiders. They have to be hot so that the spider sticks on top of the cookie. Look how amazing this looks. Just be careful. You don't want to get burned. But I'm going to add the spiders right in the center. And now, of course, if you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I need to show you how they look from the inside. Look how amazing this looks. Can't wait to enjoy and can't wait for Halloween. Look how amazing they look. They look spooky too. Of course, I need to show you from the inside how they look. They're still nice and warm. And let me show you. Crispy from the outside, chewy from the inside, and the color just perfect. Delicious and amazing. I am ready to enjoy a black cookie with chocolate chip and a spider right on the top. Perfect for Halloween. Excuse me. Just delicious. I am completely done with these black chocolate cookies with a spider on the top. Perfect for Halloween. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. This cookie came out really crispy from the edges, but really gooey and soft from the center. Make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. See you soon. Bye-bye.